How's it going, everybody in Facebook land? It's the Broken Pokers here. And this is episode 14 of The Lot. We have been off the air for 8 weeks, so it feels really good to be back playing some music for you.
We love the internet, eh?
We've got
It's my favourite spot.
We've got a massive show filled with lots of tunes and banjo. We're gonna kick off though with a little bit of a seafaring song. We're gonna send us back to John Batista. I think who's watching us from Ireland. Hope you're doing well, Johnny. He was in Mullingar this morning. I think he's moving on back now to heading back up to Belfast. So hope you're tuning in, guys. Thanks everyone for tuning in. We're gonna play a wee song. Anyone that wants to play along with us at home, we're in D minor for this one. This is called Go to Sea No More. When first I landed in Liverpool, I went upon a spree. Me money and last, I spent it fast, got as drunk could be. And when that day morning was all gone, it was then that I wanted more. But a man must be blind to make up his mind and go. Once more, boys, once more, I'll go to sea once more. Oh, a man must be blind to make up his mind to go to sea once more. Well, I spent the night with Angeline, too drunk to roll in bed. The watch was still on the morning till in the morning with them she led. And as I walked the streets about, the whores they all did roar. There goes Jack Sprat, the poor sailor lad, he must go to sea once more. Once more, boys, once more, I'll go to sea once more. There goes Jack Sprat, the poor sailor lad, he must go to sea once more. And as I walked the streets about, I met with the Rapper Brown. I asked him for to take me on, and he looked at me with a frown. He said, last time you was paid off, and with me you have no score. But I'll give you a chance, and I'll take your advance, and I'll send you to sea once more. Once more, boys, once more, I'll go to sea once more. I'll give you a chance, and I'll take your advice, and I'll send you to sea once more. He shipped me on board of a whaling ship on board the Arctic seas, where the cold wind blow to the frost and the snow, and Jamaican rum would freeze. But worse to bear, I'd no hard weather gear, where I spent all my money on shore. It was then that I wished that I was dead and could go to sea no more. No more, boys, no more. Go to sea no more. It was then that I wished that I was dead and could go to sea no more. So come on, you bold seafaring men who listen to my song. When you come off them long, long trips, I'll have you not go wrong. Take my advice, drink no strong drink, don't go sleeping with them whores. Get married instead and spend all night in Caroline manning the helm there, folks. If anyone wants to say hello,
Captain of the ship.
or to make any comments or whatever. But it is at this time that we would love to welcome our special guest this evening.
The Bruceiest Bruce that I know.
Drum roll, please. All right, he's got to navigate his way into Studio 222 here. So a man who likes an old sea shanty and a bit of banjo as well. Our very own Albany, the pride of Albany here. It's Bruce Beamish, everybody. Whee!
Hello.
Oh, well, what do you make of that, Bruce? Good voice in that last song, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A lesson to live by.
It's all about the straight and narrow, isn't it?
So that was a song about not going to sea anymore.
Yeah.
Do another one about going to sea some more.
Yeah, we're gonna do another sea song with a completely conflicting message. This one is one that I know that the group that you play with down in Albany, the Albany Shantymen, or sing with. They're a shanty group, obviously.
Yep.
And you guys sing this one as well, the South Australia.
It's one of our first songs that we learned. Actually, it's a pretty good sort of rousing song, and surprisingly enough, there's enough South Australians around the place to make it work.
Great,
So, yes.
awesome. That's what we want.
It's slightly closer than Perth, I guess.
Yeah. So we were trying to twist Bruce's arm to sing a song, and he was like, no, I won't. I'll leave you guys to the singing. And then we just picked a heap of songs that we know that he likes to sing. So including this one. So
Trickery.
all right. All right. Let's try this one here. We're going to try to do this as shanty as we can. In the South Australia, I was born.
Heave away, all the way.
In the South Australia, on the Cape Horn,
And we're bound for South Australia.
all the way, you rolling kings.
Heave away, all the way,
and all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. As I walked out one morning fair,
Heave away, all the way.
It was there I met with Miss Nancy Fair, and we're down for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings.
Heave away, all the way,
and all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. Well, I shook her up and I shook her down. Heave away, all the way. I danced her all around the town, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, and all the way, you'll hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. Now there ain't one thing that grieves my mind. Heave away, all the way, but to leave Miss Nancy Blair behind, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, all the way, you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. Now I wish I was on some lonesome strand. Heave away, all the way, with a bottle of whiskey in my hand, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, and all the way, and you hear me sing, when we're bound for South Australia. Now as we wallop around the Cape Horn, heave away, all the way, and I wish to Christ that you never was born, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. Now two old ladies sleeping on the sand. Heave away, all the way, each one wishing that the other was a man, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, and all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. In the South Australia I was born. Heave away, all the way, in the South Australia around the Cape Horn, and we're bound for South Australia. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia. One more time, boys. All the way, you rolling kings. Heave away, all the way, and all the way, and you hear me sing, and we're bound for South Australia.
will. So, Brewski, we're going to do, for anyone who hasn't watched the show before, we are going to do an after show with Bruce where we can get to ask him lots of questions, and anyone that wants to send a question to him
Why
or
would you hang
say
around
hello.
with two reprobates like these guys? Yeah.
But we, can you tell us a little bit about the banjo you're playing? This is one of the top of the line clarines.
I think it's about 3 down.
Three down from the top.
This is the Oyster.
The Oyster,
Yeah,
Jesus, it's a beautiful banjo.
Moister than Oyster. It's a lovely bit of kit.
I played it a little bit last night, and I was just amazed at how balanced it is as an instrument. It just sits in your lap.
Yeah,
and it's
beautiful.
So, yeah.
And considering I bought it sight unseen, so
Really?
Fintan and the guys at Clarine were amazing. They
You can trust them. They know what they're doing the best for you.
yeah, absolutely.
And as you know, today's show is brought to you by Elite Biscuits. I think they're a little bit out of the shot there, but Elite is the top of the range banjo for clarine, isn't it?
I think it's maybe it might be the second
one.
Yeah.
Lead second
So
from the top.
we don't have that banjo here, but we have some biscuits with the same name.
That's all we can afford.
Well, you had Ken here a while back, didn't you?
Yes,
Ken
yeah.
Kassane, he plays the Elite. So,
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
one,
it's something we can all aspire to.
That's
Yeah,
it. That's
fantastic.
it. Well, that was a lovely couple of reels there that we did, and that we had the Concertina followed by Come West along the road. That was beautiful. So we're going to now try some hornpipes. The first one is called the Liverpool, and the second one is called Off to California. So please join along with us, any musicians sitting at home. Here we go.
It's very important to make sure the banjo is consistently out of tune.
settler. That's lovely.
I forgot to tune the G string.
I think my Dean's a little bit out as well. That's what it's all about. Oh, that's great. So, Bruce plays in the sessions in Albi. You have a session there on a Thursday night, is it? At,
Yep.
Where is that at?
These days it's at the Albany Club. We've just started there. We're at the Liberté Hotel, which was great, but since COVID came along, I think they're only allowed 12 people in the front bar or something, and we used to make up about 10 of them, so it wasn't much of a commercial proposition for them.
But it's so important though for the community of musicians there as well, you know. So
it's great. So we about the last 3 weeks we've been at the Albany Club.
And do you reckon that is that going to be temporary, or is that kind of looking like that's where it is now?
Well, don't know. It's such a great venue, and it's they've got a choice of rooms that we can use. But
great.
Yeah, so it's good. And people are starting to drift back into the session and play again, and
great.
We're all going to learn a million tunes while we're in COVID lockdown, and none of us learned anything or didn't even practice. So yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I came out of it knowing less tunes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I mean, you can understand why people might be like wary, like coming straight back to it. But hopefully people are feeling safe enough to kind of come out and play again, you know. So we're going to try a set of jigs here. Our first set of jigs for the evening. The first one. Oh, Caroline's got something to say.
No, just say lots of people online, lots of people saying yow yow when Claire Schiller.
Are they cats?
They can.
Claire Schiller from Wisconsin in the US says, "Love me some concertina Rio."
Oh, that's great.
It's the ultimate tune.
Thanks for that one, Claire. Fair play.
Couldn't remember it.
Brilliant harmonies as always when you were singing South
Australia.
So,
Good. Cheers, Divna. Divna provides all of our intro and outro music, so fair play to her.
Yep, and John Batista is driving, but he's listening and singing along.
Oh, that's great. Good.
What's
good
the
to
road?
hear. Yeah, exactly. Watch those Irish roads, Johnny B. So we'll try this set of jigs. The first one's called Out in the Ocean, quite a popular one. And then we've got My Darling Asleep, which is one of my favourites, and followed by the Blackthorn Shtick. So we'll give them a lash. Bruce was saying to us earlier, it's like, how do all of these start?
Anybody that knows me from Albany will know that I can't start songs, or I can't start tunes.
So that's why Ben's here.
Ben.
Oh, by the way, why is Ben wearing your shirt? What's going on with that? It's right, very confusing.
He's got the skinny version of my shirt.
How dare you?
Mine was better value for money. It had a lot more material in it.
Is that it? Yeah. I don't know. I think he fills it out well there now.
Yeah.
How dare you?
All right, here we go. Brilliant. I almost, when I hear two banjos going, it sounds like a gaggle of geese or something just going at it. You know?
I was about to say, like a can full of gravel rolling down a hill,
That's pretty good.
which is my favourite kind of can.
Yeah. Obviously.
Oh, deadly. So I think it's time for Ben to sing a song.
What?
So we're going to sing a song about drinking whiskey. We're all on the tea tonight. You just spilt your tea, didn't you?
I did. I'm sorry
That's
about
shocking. That's going to leave an awful tea stain there.
It's going to leave. Yeah. Tannin everywhere.
On the fancy rug. No matter, sure that we'll boil the kettle again. But this one is when we're in the mood for whiskey. This is the song we sing. This is called Streams of Whiskey. And for anyone playing along at home, we're in the key of E. Now you told us last night about some fella that put a capo on a mandolin
Look, it's
and went straight to hell.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a cardinal sin. So
Yeah.
I'm not sure about the etiquette with banjos, but I wouldn't
There
mind
is no
betting.
etiquette.
I got
with
two.
banjos. You know that.
That's it.
I got two capos on this bouzouki. Is that
Ooh.
a sackable offence?
I think it is. Yeah.
It's starting to get a little bit top heavy, I noticed, with the two capos on. Anyways, who cares? It's only music. Right, this is Streets of Whiskey by the Pogues in E. Here we go.
Last night as I slept, I dreamt I met with Ben. I shook him by the hand, and we passed the time of day. We questioned on his views on the drums of life's philosophies.
He had got these you clear, and simple words of say, I am going, and he which way the wind may be blowing. I am going, where streams of whiskey are flowing. I have cursed, bled and sworn, just failed.
I've landed up in jail.
I was often thrown, stretched me, but the road always was slack. And now that I'm a while,
Down to the Chelsea.
I'll walk there on my feet, but I'll leave there on my back. I am going, and you which way the wind may be blowing. I am going, where streams of whiskey are flowing.
The light inside of me.
Oh, yeah! Great stuff,
Look
man.
at the double banjo act.
Fair play, man. It's great. Sounds so good. Gotta take at least one of these capos off. Oh, that was fun.
You might go to Hades, but you won't go to hell.
Yeah, fair play. I can take that.
Yeah.
Well, so we're going to do a set of reels now. The first one is hell confusing because we're doing another tune later on that sounds so similar. So
That sounds so Aussie coming out of your mouth. That sounds hell confusing. Aaron.
we've got a live studio audience here tonight. We got Rory and Adam in the back here. We're going to be talking a little bit more about a art show that Adam and a couple of his compadres have going on in Northbridge for the next 2 weeks. So we're yeah, we'll let you know a little bit more about that. We're delighted to
He
have
is Wayne's World now.
we're delighted to have Adam here, and he'll probably have a chat as well at the after show. So more on that
from our sponsor.
yeah, more on that coming up. So who wants to?
You know what I mean?
I love it. I love it.
Who wants to start off this the first tune? So the first tune's called "The Broken Pledge," and in researching this tune, we found that there's so many versions of it out there. So
Yeah, I don't play any of them. Yeah. I'm gonna follow Bruce.
And I played the wrong one, so
so it's a bit of a tricky one. And then we've got the Peeler's Jacket after that one, and then the Knotted Cord, which we've kind of messed with a little bit. So if it sounds strange, that's deliberate.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all good. All right, so take it away.
Take it away.
be a standard set in Albany?
In Brucetown.
Well, a little bit, yeah. I wouldn't say it's a standard one. It's one that
It's a
gets
great
trotted
one.
out occasionally. And
I was unfulfiliar with any of those tunes, but they just work so well together. Fair play, man. Thank you for
Yeah,
bringing
well,
that to us.
when I heard like you sent me the set, I learnt the three tunes. Well, learned. And I was like, how do they go together? I was like, I bet you Bruce knows how to put them together.
Yeah, no, not really. Just winging it.
Like the rest of us then. Yeah.
So speaking of obscurity, we're gonna do another set of jigs. The first one is a controversial. I love controversial tunes. This is called, the first one's the Freeze Britches. A lot of people will recognise the tune of this one from the Planksty song Cúnla, which kind of borrows the melody of the first three parts. So most people who learn the tune will know the three parts. And when myself and Ben were putting this together during the week, I said, that's a 5-part tune, and he was like, "What?" Yeah.
Is this the one?
This is we're doing it now. Yeah.
Is this the one?
This is the one. This is the 5-parter. So we've got this is the first is the Freeze Bridges, and then we're going to go from that one into Garrett Barry's, and then finishing off with Dibnah's Rambles, otherwise known as Banished Misfortune. So take it away, Brucey. We'll back you on this one. That sounds so badass. That big old banjo.
Big old banjo.
That's super. That's so great. So, folks, we are kind of over the hump of the show here. We're heading very, very closely to our first intermission. So just to give you a little bit of info, if you haven't watched the show before, we're going to do another set of tunes, and then we're going to do a wee intermission for about 5 or 6 minutes, make a cup of tea and do the needful, and then come back in with the second part of the show. So please stick around with us. In the intermission, we got 2 amazing things going on. Visually, you're going to see some slides from the art show that I was talking about a little bit earlier. This show was put together by Studio Payoka. And we
were at the opening night last night. And,
so to give you the studio is a collaborative of artists. We've got sculptors, painters, and printed materials. And the opening night was last night down in Stala in Northbridge. So we're going to be putting up some little slides of some of the work that's on display there. The show is on for the next 2 weeks. And
like if you're not in WA, you can go and visit the I think you have a website or Facebook or Instagram. Yeah, if you look it up, we'll put some links
Studio
in there.
Payoka, they've got a Facebook and everything, so check them out. Some beautiful works there, and it's just great to go to a show where it's not just kind of sculptures, it's not just some painting. It's a bit of everything, it is terrifying. It's great though, and you should check it out. So visually you're going to see some clips from that, and then the audio is going to be provided by the wonderful Albany Shanty Men.
So if you can't do without Bruce for 10 minutes, don't worry, he'll be there.
He'll be singing. So this is we pulled the audio from one of your shows that you did last month at 6 Degrees Gold Room in Albany Motel. Is that right?
It's in the 6 Degrees Hotel.
Oh, 6 Degrees Hotel.
Is the actual hotel.
Awesome. So you guys did a show there last month, and if anyone is interested in checking out, there's a whole hour and a half of the show is up on YouTube.
Yeah, right.
So if you just type in
Bruce.
Albany Shanty Men.
They've got an album as well. I went on YouTube.
They've got 2 albums.
Awesome. So while we go and do the needful there, you'll be entertained by the Albany Shanty Men and some visual surprises there from the one for Studio Payoka. And if, like we said, if you're in Perth, it's definitely worth checking them out. We went last night, and it's just a fabulous art show. And they're
they're doing the opening night is obviously like the kind of big gala kind of thing, but they're doing a talk on Saturday at 2 p.m. So if you want to actually
talk to
see
the artists
and hear what's in their mind. I don't know if you actually want to do that, but
it's terrifying.
But that's the other event that's happening.
That's great. Awesome. So we're just trying to promote that as well, trying to help out some friends of ours, and of course the Albany Shantymen as well. Before we do that, we're going to do a lovely set of hornpipes with a bit of a surprise on the end. So the first one is called the Plains of Boyle, and the second one I think a lot of people are going to be familiar with, which is the Rights of Man. And then after that, we're going to see what comes out. And then we'll take a short break, like I said.
It's going to be a race to the finish.
It will be, hopefully. Or a race to the start, even. All right, here we go. So Plains of Boyle, Rights of Man, and then who cares? Woo!
Oh, and by the way, Adam's fled.
British. Well done. We are going to take a very short break, ladies and gents. Please enjoy the visuals from Studio Pioca and some songs from the Albany Shanty Men. We will be back in about 5 minutes or so. Grab a cup of tea. We'll see you back here shortly. Thank you.
This way and our rags well set. O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly, and those Liverpool girls will never forget. O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. Goodbye, my sweetheart. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Goodbye, my darling. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. We're outward bound for the Bengal Bay. O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Get bendy, me lads, it's a hell of a way. O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. Goodbye, my sweetheart. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Goodbye, my darling. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. Well, come on, Mary, now don't look glum. O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Come White Stocking Day, we'll be drinking rum. O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. Goodbye, my sweetheart. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Goodbye, my darling. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. Goodbye, my sweetheart. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh O'Reilly. Goodbye, my darling. Goodbye, my dear old O'Reilly, oh, has gone away. We sailed from Coconut Windy down with a dark and cloudy sky. Our friends were standing on the pier, the women stood and cried. Well, they were young enough for fun and the riches they could find. To raise your glass and drink a toast to the girls we left behind. Oh, hey dear, drink up your beer and leave it in the morn. On board a ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey dear, drink up your beer and leave it in the morn. On board a ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. Bring around! Me brother Jack's a sailor man aboard the Blackwall Line. He jumped his ship in Albany and now he's doing fine. The little lad he wrote to us to come and join me here. We're off to Albany in the morning without a doubt of fear. Oh, hey dear, drink up your beer and leave it in the morn. On board the ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey dear, drink up your beer and leave it in the morn. On board the ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. Now Jack's a farm near Albany with livestock by the score. He said, as the trees do touch the sky, King Harry, so we're told. And sailing ships arrive each day with diggers up for gold. And 100 miles away we've seen a frolicking in the sound. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, leave it in the morn. Aboard a ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard a ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. Horn! Oh, Mary! And now we're underway, me voice the ship's bell loudly sounds. The key is now well out in sight, and we are seaward bound. And as we're rounding passage west, the good ship gets full sail. A parting glance to Erin's Isle from a rolling ship deck round. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard a ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard a ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. I sailed from Cockermouth windy day with a dark and cloudy sky. My friends were standing on the quay and the women stood and cried. But they were young enough for fun and the riches they could find. So raise your glass and drink a toast to the girls we left behind. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard a ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard the ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard the ship, the castle made for Australia round the horn. Oh, hey, drink up your beer, we're leaving in the morn. Aboard the ship, the castle made for West Australia round the horn. Hey! That was what it was. It was recent. I didn't just fuck it.
One more day, me Johnny.
One more day, oh, rock and roll me over. One more day,
Only one more day, Holland Johnny.
one more day,
Can't you hear those girls are calling?
one more day, only one more day, me Johnny. One more day, oh, rock and roll me over. One more day,
Only one more day to go now, Johnny.
one more day,
And your payday's nearly due now, Johnny.
one more day, only one more day, me Johnny. One more day.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for sticking with us through the intermission. We hope you enjoyed some of the beautiful art there.
And we'd like to thank our sponsor, Mark Joyce, for lending us his little
The little wonder there. That was great. That was great. So, for anyone that may have joined us during the intermission, we were showing some visuals there of Studio Pioca, who are having an art show in Northbridge in Perth there for the next 2 weeks. So please go down and check them out. You can get more information on their Facebook page. And that's 4 wonderful artists. That's Scott, Bill, Michelle and Adam. And they've got some just great works down there. As Ben pointed out, on Saturday they're doing a bit of a kind of a chat with everybody. So if you want to go down and ask a question to one of the artists, you can. That's at 2 o'clock on Saturday. But do check out their expo if you can. And of course the music by the wonderful Albany Shanty Men. So during the intermission we had a bit of a complaint that there wasn't enough banjo. So
we rectified that.
hopefully we rectified that there with that sound.
We get that all the time.
That was great. So now we're going to try a super set of jigs. We're basically going to try and pit Ben and Bruce against each other in this next set.
He is my arch nemesis.
I can't believe we got the two of you in the same room. I thought you might cancel each other out. So
I'm wearing his shirt.
that's right.
If anyone saw the promo shot of Bruce before, I figured they actually have the exact same
Literally
shirt.
the exact same shirt. Yeah.
Literally.
So I wore it specially for the occasion.
Oh, man. I got to get me one of those shirts. Apparently all the cool guys have one.
Yeah.
And I want to be a cool guy. So we should get you a broken
That's
poker
a word
one.
from our sponsor, Target.
So the first jig that we got is the old favourite, which is one of Ben's old favourites.
See what you did there?
Followed by Jim Ward's, brought to you by Bruce. And then we got the Blarney Pilgrim, because Ben obviously looks like a pilgrim. And then we've got the Kesh jig then brought to you by Bruce again. I'm really not sure what's going to happen here, so please enjoy it.
How's the old baby go?
I don't know. That's yours. So.
Yeah, alright, that's my responsibility. Yeah. That's the one.
okay?
I can't believe I forgot the cash.
Do you need a cuddle?
I think I did.
That was
Give
so
us a slip.
That was so undertaken to do that. That was great. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was like I could hear the cogs turning in both of your heads, just like
All right, so another tune in G.
yeah. That was great. Well done.
You're a
Well
bad man,
done.
Bruce. You're
Fair,
a bad
fair
man.
balls to you. That's great. All right, so we're going to have to slow it down a little bit for a song. I think it's time for a song. It's been a while since we had a song there. Ben and are you playing whistle for this one, Ben? Yeah.
Yeah, I apologise in advance.
So Bruce is going to do some romantic banjo now for the next 4.5 minutes. This is a lovely little song, a song of the sea called Bird's Eye Fish Fingers. Oh no, Caroline, have you got a
John West
message
Jr. A word from our sponsors.
Have you got oh, sorry, I thought that was...
Oh no, there's lots of people commenting.
Oh, that's alright.
Is it good?
Yeah. Not enough banjo, yeah?
No, awesome, love it, one of my favourites, brilliant sets, lots of people loving it.
Oh,
You
great
guys are
stuff.
awesome.
Really? Does Mum know?
Yeah, it's quite kind.
Alright, we're going to try this one here. This is a lovely wee song called Fiddler's Green, and apparently, if you're not aware, anyone who spends their lifetime on the sea, when they die, the rest of us have two options: heaven and hell. But sailors and fishermen, they've got another place that they go just for them.
Hades.
Along with the people who put capos on mandolins.
Hades is a middle of the road kind of place, eh?
Yeah, it's just hanging out, you know.
Across the river Styx, no dramas.
This is called Fiddler's Green, and if you're playing along at home, we're in the key of F. So it's kind of like C, but not. Fair playing. As I walked by the dockside one evening so fair, to view the salt water and take the sea air, I heard an old fisherman singing a song. Won't you take me away, boys? Me time is not long. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell the old shipmates I'm taking a trip, mates, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Now Fiddler's Green is a place I've heard tell, where the fishermen go if they don't go to hell, where the skies are all clear and the dolphin do play, and the cold coast of Greenland is far, far away. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just
growing from every tree. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Take it away, boys. Now I don't want a harp nor a halo, not me. Just give me a breeze and a good rolling sea. I'll play me old banjo as we roll along, with the wind in the rigging to sing me this song. Wrap me up in the oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green. Wrap me up in me oilskins and jumpers. No more on the docks I'll be seen. Just tell me, old shipmates, I'm taking a trip, mate, and I'll see you someday on Fiddler's Green.
Fair play, Jake.
Beautiful.
Sounds like a good place, doesn't it? Fiddler's Green, eh?
Beautiful.
Where do banjo players go?
Can I buy a ticket? Yeah, where do banjo players go?
Straight to heaven.
Oh, please tell us in the comments there, where do banjo players go? That'd be great. So, folks, we've got one more set of tunes, and this set of tunes I am completely terrified of. I don't know why I left it to the end of the show. I'm high on tea here, and now I'm going to play the most difficult set. Yeah. Anyways, I sympathise with you guys as well. So this we're
Oh,
gonna,
thanks.
we're gonna play a set of reels. If you're playing along at home, we're going to do the Maids of Mount Cisco, and then we're going to play the Sligo Maid, and then we're going to do a tune called Farewell to Connacht.
Which me and Jake learned 2 days ago, and I was like, this is the ultimate tune. I wish I had two months to learn it.
It is the ultimate tune. So all the tune players, hopefully there's a few tune players watching at home, please join along with us here. Yeah.
But just know that this is not the definitive version of any of those tunes. So like,
We're going to do our
go
best.
to thesession.org. Better served.
All right. I'm happy to follow you on this one, Bruce, if you're feeling it. Yeah. Let's get a bit more tea.
Give us a bit of a clue, man.
Sorry. Like, if I start playing this and it's out of tune, it's gonna be sad times for everybody.
Yeah, likewise. Actually, give us a second just to tune the old.
Tune me, old Mando.
Somebody said to me once, Bruce, we tune because we care.
That's right. It's just offensive to everyone if you don't.
Oh, look, the banjo's offensive enough.
Yeah, it's exactly. Well, that's the beauty of it, though. No one can tell whether if it's in tune or not.
Apparently that is the gaff.
Only banjo players.
There's something still wrong there. Lovely. No, take away. Sorry.
That was the set.
All right, that was a super set. God dang.
Like we would have played that another 5 times through, but it's only because we're decent people that we didn't.
That was brilliant. How much fun was that?
Yeah, what a
That's
time.
awesome. So, folks, we are so delighted to have Bruce here. Thank you so much for giving up your time. And I know you rarely get a chance to come to Perth, and as soon as I found out you were coming over the next couple of nights, and I was kind of like, we've got to get him on the show. So,
Awesome.
thank you for doing it, man. I hope you enjoyed it.
I certainly did. Thank you for putting up with me. Yeah.
Oh,
it's
good
awesome.
on you, man. No, it takes some cojones, and you did it, man. It's yeah. I hope you guys at home enjoyed it.
Yes.
We have time for one more song. We're going to send this song specially out to Eilish,
Yes.
is she about to have a baby?
Yes.
How close are we talking here?
Doesn't say.
All right, okay.
5 minutes.
By the end of the song, at least.
DJ Rafferty just asked to sing a song for his sister.
So Eilish, we hope you're doing well,
And
I-
anybody else?
I know that you're craving a glass of wine, and yeah. So hopefully, once all is said and done, you can enjoy that. And best of luck with all of that. We are going to sing a song, another song of the sea. Everything just all the songs tonight have been real kind of like seafaring, you know.
Why is it?
I don't know why. Figure it out.
It's got anything to do with Bruce.
Yeah, nah. I hate water.
We always live by the sea.
We once we finish here tonight, we're going to stop this broadcast, and then in about 10 minutes' time, we'll set up another one where we're going to be chatting to Bruce and getting all the lowdown on banjos and Albany and all the different crack. And anyone that wants to say hello or send a special message to Bruce, that will be the time for that. If that's not your deal, then I hope you enjoyed episode 14 of The Lot. God knows when we get a chance to do the next one, probably in 3 or 4 weeks, hopefully.
Hopefully should be back soon, but we're back next week with the whole shebang.
We are. Next Thursday night, we've got a very special episode of the whole shebang, episode 2. We got some very special guests. We're really excited about that.
It's 3, isn't it?
3.
Episode 3, sorry.
We have like it's going to be unreal.
It's going to be, yeah. We're excited
we
about
don't
it.
want to like leak it out too soon, but
Yeah,
you'll know about it.
It's exciting. It's exciting. So we're going to finish off with a song, as we always do, to send everybody on the way. This one is called The Holy Ground. And you were saying that in the Shantymen, you've got a guy who does the Fine Girl You Are.
Yep.
And like it's only one man in the whole group that gets to say that line.
He's the designated fine girl you are, man. He's it's Grenville, if you're out there. Gren, g'day. It's he's got the graveliest voice from years of abuse and he's
hard living.
hard living.
Fair play. Well, you've got a promotion tonight, sir. You've been promoted.
I've been promoted to the fine girl you are, man.
So if this Benji Grenville, like we're sorry, you can delete it.
Fair play. So a big thank you to Caroline, as always, on the producing station. Thank you, Caroline. She just cheered herself. Fair play. And thank you for tuning in, guys. We're going to leave you with this one here.
Fine girl, you are.
Are you? Come on! I missed come on!
Thank you.
I was gonna keep going. I was like, no, fuck it. We got to start again.
Have I gone a little bit red?
Rory might help us out with the fine girls you are as well.
Hey, Rory, will you help us out with this one?
How's that?
You'll catch
Oh,
on.
the fucking camera. How
You'll catch vocally. You'll catch on.
vocally, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fine girl, you are.
To you, my Dinah, 10,000 times adieu. We're going away from the holy ground and the girls that we love to. We will sail the salt sea over and then return for
the show tonight. We'll see you back next week with an episode of the whole shebang. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you for the melody, gentlemen.